Want to transform your look today? Classic wolf cut shag. Perfect for thick hair types seeking dynamic volume and effortless edge without high-maintenance daily styling routines. Wispy short pixie shag. Ideal for fine hair textures looking for instant lift, playful movement, and an easy crown volumizing effect. Curly medium shag with bangs. Great for naturally curly patterns wanting structured shape, bouncy weight reduction, and face framing softness. Long 70s retro shag. Flattering for round face shapes needing sleek visual lengthening and soft, dramatic curtain layers around cheeks. Razor cut Shaggy Bob. Best for medium hair densities wanting an edgy, textured bob alternative with soft piecey ends. Shoulder length layered mullet shag. Suited for adventurous personalities wanting a bold modern hybrid style, with dramatic length contrast. Wavy bottleneck bangs shag. Designed for naturally wavy hair needing soft framing around eyes and cheekbones without daily heat styling. Choppy feathered lob shag. Which haircut number surprised you the most so far? Tell us in the comments. Great for professional settings wanting a subtle shaggy transition on shoulder-length hair. Messy textured shag with micro bangs. Tailored for edgy street-style lovers looking to accentuate eyes and forehead features boldly. Soft French girl shag. Perfect for minimalists wanting effortlessly elegant, touchable texture with romantic curtain bangs. Bouncy layers curly shag. Excellent for high-density curls needing weight distribution to achieve maximum height and playful bounce. Grunge shag with wispy layers. Ideal for fine to medium hair textures seeking a rocker chic aesthetic with minimal styling effort. Voluminous shag for thin hair. Which of these styles matches your vibe best? Drop your favorite number in the comments. Specially crafted for flat hair needing maximum optical fullness and dynamic root bounce. Ultra long layered shag. Best for long hair lovers who want to keep length while eliminating heavy weight and flatness. Edgy asymmetrical shag. Suited for modern creative styles wanting an eye-catching, uneven silhouette that highlights jawlines. Soft coarse-hair shag. Designed for thick coarse hair textures to tame volume into soft, manageable fluid layers. Wispy curtain bangs mid shag. Don't forget to tell us your top choice in the comments below. Perfect for everyday versatility with face framing softness and quick air-dry styling. Modern Rockstar shag. Great for bold personalities looking for dynamic texture, high crown volume, and cool girl confidence. Short feathered shag bob. Flattering for mature women seeking a youthful, lifting effect with lightweight low-maintenance layers. Dimensional balayage shag. Ideal for showcasing color depth, highlighting texture layers, and creating optical movement in long hair.